She is Dr. Shivaranjani, who has been fighting since 8 years with the battle to ban these kind of sugary juices which have been selling in the market by multiple companies and pharmaceutics, as these are not good for health, which are not formulated with World Health Organization and FSSAI of India. These ORS which have been selling since ages by the pharmacies and some other supermarkets, which has been formulated against WHO rules. It consists of lot of salts and high sugars which are not good for children health. It leads to early stage of organ dysfunctions, and most of the time it takes away the life of children. So as she is fighting the battle, recently the High Court has said to completely ban these kind of sugary juices which have been selling in the name of ORS. Each and every one must have to sell only the WHO formulated electrolytic powders which should be consumed at the time of dehydration and so on. So now most of the pharmacies and some of the pharmaceutics had visited the High Court and get a stay on these, that they must have to sell their 180 crore remaining stock of these ORS so that they can ban these complete products. So which is not at all acceptable, where India consists of 140 crore people, most of them are kids and adults, which is not at all acceptable for each and every Indian. I request each and everyone to take a stand and avoid buying ORS in any kind of pharmacies or medical shops. Please do not get trapped for cheap cost products like Rebalance, ORSL, Tata Glucodi, and so on. Purchase only WHO formulated electrolytic powders and ORS too. Do follow for such more content. Thank you. Show support to Dr. Shivranjani.